What is up, everybody? It's your boy Bluminati coming at you with another fresh package. This is coming from the pass around group, courtesy of Lefty EDC. We have another Tempest knives. Got cool stickers, nice little black cloth. Ladies and germs, we have a bag that won't open. Come here. The Fractus. That's right, ladies and germs. Casey's latest model. Tempest Knives Fractus. This is going to be OEM'd by Concept. This is a premium version of one of his designs. It's going to be coming in S90V, titanium. You're going to get 3 different flavors. This is the silver lining. He's going with the meteorological terminology. The Fractus is a type of cloud, and so he'll have 3 different versions. One of them will have blue carbon fiber inlays. You'll have this one with the shredded carbon fiber. I think it's shredded carbon fiber. I can't remember now. It's got a carbon fiber inlay. Crosscut, maybe? I don't know. I don't know my inlays. Don't hold me to that. And then the other one will be a blacked out version. Black blade, black coated titanium, and the carbon fiber inlays. The screws will be black. Everything will be black. It's going to be blacked out. It's going to be called the Storm Cloud. And that is the one your boy Blue is going after. Although this one is a definitely a good looker. And I am fumbling with the deployment. And it's not that. The deployment is not bad. Or deployability is not bad. I'm just not working today, apparently. Clean it off. There we go. Take a look at that. We have, where's my ruler at? Where's my ruler at? He's going with a 3.5-inch blade, about a 3-inch cutting edge, a 4.25-inch blade or handle, 4.25-inch handle, 3.5-inch blade, 3-inch cutting edge. Be running on bearings, as you can see. Concept has this thing dialed down. Absolutely beautiful blade. And he is really tickled pink with the way that Concept did his 5-spoke design there. See if I can get in there where you can see that. Future me, I may have to put in a close-up of the 5-spoke wheel. Good Lord! Words hard this evening, apparently. Let's see, there was notes that came with it. Some changes that are going to be made. So far, he's looking at adding a chamfer to the lock bar. As you can see, this is pretty much straight up roture. He's going to add a little chamfer to it. Access to it's great. I love it. The inlay screws, as you can see right now, they kind of stick out compared to the inlay. He's going to make them black on the carbon fiber inlays. I'm not sure if they're going to be blue on the Blue Sky version, but definitely a looker of a knife. Like I said, S90V and Concept killing it with that. It's nice and centered. Clip screws are supposed to be, or the clip screw, and this is cool, it's coming in from the end here. I think right now that looks like a T6, maybe even smaller than a T6. That's supposed to be a T8. I don't know about it sticking out the end like it does. I might recommend maybe flushing it, like a countersunk head. Probably be cool, make it more clean. But Casey's the designer. I'm just a goober that gets to play with the knife. So, don't have to listen to me. Definitely got the cool Tempest logo there. Don't know if it's going to have any concept badging on it. The titanium is milled. It's got very fine micro milling on the scale. Titanium backspacer, no lanyard loop, but I'm sure with this being all the way back here, some of the lanyard guys will probably tie onto that. That's got plenty of room there. Clip is very nice. Let's see, what else was there? Oh, he's going to have a limited quantity of lefty clips because as this clip is with the angle, it'll only sit correctly on the right side. If you were to flip it over, it would look a little funny because the angle would be going the wrong direction. So he said something about limited quantity of lefty clips. So if you are wanting to carry it lefty, you'll just have to let him know, and then he can set you up with a lefty clip. Other than that, guys, this thing feels great. Choke back, I can get all 4 of my fingers, my smaller than average hand. That jimping's nice and not overly aggressive, but definitely grippy. I like it. I like it. When I choke up on it, my thumb rests just right there. Depending on your hand size, that might differ. I don't know if I remember correctly, but he may be moving the jimping back just a little bit for those that want to choke back a little bit further here. Like I said, standard grip. Don't feel the pocket clip. Feels good in either hand. Don't feel any hot spots. And choked up, definitely feels good. And as Papa Stash, aka Tri-State, says, pinch grip. Oh yeah, all day. And this is S90V, and this is a prototype. Kind of crazy that they actually have the actual steel that he's going to be running. Paper. I won't do any crazy cutting because I don't want to get yelled at, but I'm sure I can cut some paper. Ooh, yeah. That's great. That's going to be great. So, yeah, guys. I think pre-order, I believe Casey said February 2nd. You might check on Casey's Instagram just to make sure. I'll try and link that in the description. Definitely check it out. I think this is definitely a home run. I have loved every one of Tempest Knives designs so far, and this one definitely does not disappoint. Size comparisons. Let's see. I have here CJRB button lock pyrite. You can see it's a little bit bigger than it. And you can also see why Bluminati's going with the blacked out, because he loves his blacked out blades. Oh, what else do I have besides some loud dogs barking outside? We've got Megaron Moyarl. As you can see, it's got a little bit on the Moyaral. Not as much as with the Pyrite, but and we've got this big boy, which I can't remember what it is. I just got it in, so I haven't even done a video on it yet, but it's from Artisan. It's a little bit smaller than it. Put it up against the Spyderco Persistence. It's probably one of the bigger blades I've got here. You can see that is definitely smaller, dwarfed by the Spyderco Persistence. But yeah, guys, check them out. TempestKnives.com. You can also check them out on Knives Fast on YouTube. This is going to be a definite winner. I think these are going to be limited quantities from what I remember. Like I said, 3 versions. You got this one, which is he's calling the Silver Lining. One with the blue inlays, which is going to be the Blue Skies. And then the murdered out version, which is going to be the Thunderstorm or Thundercloud. And I'm going to say that these are going to go fast when he drops the pre-order. So if you're interested in them, I think he's going for a price tag of around $200. Don't hold me to that. Just something I vaguely remember. And I could be wrong. But I think the pre-order price is like $200. And titanium S90V, I think that's a really great deal. And so, like I said, I'm definitely jumping in on this one. One which way or another. So definitely check them out. TempestKnives.com. Don't forget to check out all the awesome folks over at the EDC Roundtable. You got Lancelot Leather, Said Stevie, Forrest Hanks. Where's my Hank? Definitely make some awesome Hanks. Of course, you got Brother Jason Brown, Be Up, for sure. Said Stevie with his beard care products. You've got Jack's Lungs with his, and Chromatic EDC with their pocket jewelry, pocket jank. And with that, your boy Blue, Choo Choo, the Grumpy Monkey, and Fred, we're going to bid you guys a good evening. Check y'all on the next video. Peace.